It sounds so simple, just to buy a prop firm account and you'll be printing money in a few days, right? That couldn't be far from the reality of prop firm trading. Yeah, everyone who comes into trading with prop firms just thinks that, oh hey, I just found my way how to quit my job, or next month I'll be looking to buy my new car. Well, the problem is that you have high expectations because you are blinded by all the social media crap. Sorry, but this is the truth. Rarely anybody is talking about how difficult was it to reach even a break-even level. We are not even talking about profitability yet. And while having high goals is a great and respectable deal, if you don't go over the foundations of prop firm trading, well, it'll be just gambling, and it will end up with a huge financial and emotional aftermath that can cause permanent damage, both mentally and money-wise. So ask yourself some of the following questions. Did I manage to maintain a demo account, let it be Forex or futures, just 1 month for at least break even? And if so, did I follow my risk management rules? For example, have I made some stupid trades, like going all in with full margin just to recover some of my losses? Don't lie to yourself. We all did that. I was lying to myself for a very long time. So don't say to yourself, hey, I took this step, now I can move forward. But despite saying all this, I say that if you can afford a smaller type of evaluation or challenge account, you should start that right now. And I'm gonna tell you why in just a minute. Back in the days when I started trading, there were no prop firms like today. At least not with so clean and simple rules. I was trading with my own money, and of course I lost it. If I imagine how many prop firm accounts could I have bought on that money, wow, I don't even want to think about it. So yes, start out with a demo and get familiar with some basics. But if you can afford it, buy your prop account. Why? Because you need that extra pressure. You need to put your skin into the game. You are not going to make the same decisions on your free demo account as on your prop firm account. I promise you that. I know many gurus, even ICTs, saying you should start with a demo. And I say, yeah, but jump into a prop account as soon as you can, because you need to feel the heat. You need to burn yourself. Yeah, sorry if this sounds weird to you, but you need to burn yourself multiple times over and over. Chances are that 99% that you are going to lose your first few challenge accounts anyway. Sorry, reality check. Yes, there are some people out there who can do it, but even if you get to the funded level as a rookie by getting to the payout, is a whole different ballgame. So you want reality? The reality is that you have to suffer. You have to feel the pain, lose some money, and start over a couple of times until your brain will actually develop what to do or what not to do after some time. And it barely has anything to do with what kind of strategy you use. If you think that a strategy will solve your problems, you're obviously wrong. You can learn ICT concepts back and forth, or supply and demand, or support and resistance. It would mean dog shit when you get to the point when you have to make a critical decision on your simulated or live funded accounts. Trading is one of the hardest professions out there. Yes, you can have a winning streak and you can celebrate your winners all over social media. And many of us do, even I did. But trust me, reality will kick the door in. There is no holy grail and there is no straightforward winning system. You have to understand that. And always have to be prepared for those days, those losing days or weeks. So You got funded in one day? Wow, great, you're a genius. Did you share it on socials? You called up your friends and family? Great. Make sure to update everyone in a month. Just really, honestly, I would be curious what happens to you after 1 or 2 weeks on your funded account. Sorry, just reality check. I've been through all this. I did all this. Posted my FTMO certificate on Twitter and showed it to my friends to, hey guys, I'm officially a funded trader, and everyone was, wow, you're so cool, man. Yeah, I was cool for about 3 days until I blew my first funded account at FTMO. So, but answer a few single and simple questions. Did you manage to keep any challenge or evaluation or funded accounts for over 1 or 2 months? Yeah, Tom, but why would I want to keep an eval for more than 30 days? And that's a good question. I know there are monthly fees at some prop firms and there are one-time fees, but that's not the point here. I'm going to give you some great advice based on my own personal experience. You are going to feel much more confident on your funded account when you have a track record of more than 30 days or 60 days on the same challenge or eval account, on the same account. That is going to be a much better achievement than 98% of all other traders do in the prop firm industry, regardless if you took a payout or not, right? You are going to be better than 98% of all other traders who want to YOLO themselves into a funded account. I never understood that kind of a trader anyway, and I was one of them. I still don't know what was I thinking back then. My mind was clouded by those huge payouts and managed capital. Now I just laugh hard when I see someone posting out, funded trader with 400K managed capital. Come on. So what will you do after you YOLO'd yourself into a funded account? Because I would be scared as shit. You don't have a track record. You don't have any real foundation for self-confidence. You know what you are? You are a gambler. Don't get me wrong, there are professional gamblers, and by now it's clear that there are traders out there who are gaming the prop firm industry. Yes, they are gaming the system. They are not even traders. They are just looking for ways to hedge multiple prop accounts against each other, to have some payout from, payout from one of them by time to time, but that is not trading, far from it. That is professional gambling with prop firms, and this should be a big takeaway for you. You can gamble these prop firms, or you can be a real trader. Manage your capital properly and acquire knowledge that nobody can take away from you, never. It's going to take an enormous time to be constantly profitable. I don't care how smart you are, it will take time. I'm here to say it in your face. Sorry if I hurt anyone, I'm here to say it in your face. But you're not alone, and you can find many places online if you need trading buddies or help. For example, me. But hey, I'm not a mentor. All I do is share all I went through, so you can learn from it, and maybe you won't have to suffer that much and reach your goals much sooner than others. We have a small community, and a small but converging community on Discord, so you can also join us for $10. Yeah! But really, I would be curious about your thoughts and how are you doing with trading so far. So please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and share your opinion, your questions, comments. I would like to see them. So see you on the live streams or in the next video. Peace out. Cheers.